Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making Google Photos preserve every pixel, open settings, turn backup and sync on, and change upload size to original. Do this now so uploads stop being recompressed. Also make sure you shoot in the camera's highest format, RAW or maximum JPEG quality, because once compressed you can't recover detail. Once done, connect to stable Wi-Fi and confirm the account where backups are stored. Otherwise, files may never reach the cloud at full fidelity. Now move your true originals into Google's storage. If you shoot on a phone, upload the original camera files. If you use a camera, copy RAW/DNG to your computer and upload with Google's desktop uploader. The desktop path prevents hidden mobile conversions and preserves metadata. Make sure you select the exact folders containing originals and monitor the uploader until it finishes. While uploading, avoid apps that re-encode or resize images. They'll undo your early finish by verifying each file. Open an image, view file info, and confirm it shows original resolution and file type. Edit within Google Photos. Edits are non-destructive, and when sharing outside the app, export the original file to retain maximum quality. If something goes wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is storage. Check your Google account quota and free space. Also check backup status and whether hike or an app forced conversion, if needed. Reupload originals after resolving space or format issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.